Hi, we're Dose Punks. Welcome to Jackass. Today, we're building a PC. Hi YouTube. Welcome to our video where a bitch wants to spend $1,000 more because there's a thing such as a white tax, which is so annoying, but you want the aesthetic to be good, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna be streaming. I'm very excited because I like video games and I've been wanting to stream since I was a wee little baby. We have a missing piece because NVIDIA is a little bitch and they made it really hard to buy their GPU, and we actually woke up at 5:50 a.m. to try to get one of them. We had like 3 or 4 laptops open. It was impossible. We didn't get one, obviously, but we got like a later, older model of another brand, and it's gonna take a month and a half, but thankfully it's the last component, so we're just gonna set it up. Yeah, I wanted something that was just very aesthetic, very girly. I'm really nervous. I don't want to die, but Ryan says that's highly unlikely, so we're just gonna have to trust the man.
I mean, you won't die, but you can fry all of that.
Okay, but these pieces are replaceable. I'm not.
All right, you ready?
Should we start?
Let's do it.
These little bitches are so fucking expensive, and I saved up for them because I was like, yeah, I can't afford this all at once. So every time a little package came, it was like a little mini Christmas. It was so exciting, and husband actually bought me some of the pieces. Very spoiled. Oh, can I use the cool knife?
Oh, that one might be a little bit big.
Just the tip. I think I need to put this on the floor. Apparently this is called a fish bowl. That's all I know about it, and it's a case.
What's in there?
I like that it has a little cable management system. I'm experiencing a lot of female rage right now because Ryan just like shoved it up, which I was gonna do from the beginning. God, I feel like some men are gonna watch this and be like, this woman is horrible. I do not want to watch this. But then other people are gonna get it, and then I love them. Screws!
Merry Christmas!
Oh my God, just what I wanted.
And zip ties. That's kind of nice.
Oh, I like that little kit. I mean, they could have just. Okay, pues. Now we have to do the motherboard, right? I do know that. Ryan, you haven't said hi to the camera yet.
Hello, camera. Cool. All right.
Yeah, got it?
Great. Got it. Yeah. Let's bust out your. That'd be really cool if I could close it perfectly. Your motherboard.
Yeah. I'm so paranoid about accidentally frying this, so I keep touching the metal like a mad woman. So if you see me do that, that's why. Oh, I'm so excited. Ow. Ow.
All in a day's work.
That's wife abuse.
Here, what you can do. Here. Ow! Fuck.
That's karma!
I didn't do shit.
Ah, I'm so scared. Okay, alright. Okay.
You gotta take it out of the thingamabob.
I've got plenty.
Oh.
I touched something. I'm so scared. This is terrifying. To be honest. Okay.
Boom.
Thank you. Should I open it? Oh, I should unbox the thing.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Bruh.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I'm so scared. I'm literally so scared. Does plastic conduct electricity?
I don't know. I think just every couple minutes touch metal. Okay, so to not freak out Mimi with the hardest thing first, we're gonna start with the M.2.
I'm gonna do that for everything because everything is. So I open this.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I'm scared. Okay, this is my first metal on metal.
That's metal.
Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, I just realized that's all the things. Whoa.
Here, put that here. Put
The
that
magnet.
here.
Do I pull it out? Mom, can I come home? I'm scared. All right, what do I do? You should title this "Wife Has Panic Attack While Building PC." Okay, now I get the gist of it.
Okay, now, you see the little notch in there? There's a notch in there.
This? Where do I hold it?
This is why I was saying you gotta watch all those videos.
I did watch it, I just didn't understand. Oh, it's a battery. Okay, I was being too soft, so Ryan shoved it in more. Yeah.
You got it? Congratulations, Mimi! Oh shit.
Alright, I'm ready for this motherboard.
Okay, wait, now
close everything.
Yeah, close everything.
Yeah.
Keep it on for now.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Oh, does it go there?
Yeah, it was up here.
Which one does it?
It was up here.
It's supposed to go up there. We just put it down there, so you gotta unscrew it.
Oh.
Okay, now.
Oh.
Yep. Yeah, and then put it on there.
Yes, this is why I didn't go to school to be a doctor. I'm so sweaty. Okay. Hella hard.
Yeah, this is gonna be harder than you.
It needs tension.
Yeah. And then go up, and then flip it up.
Okay. And you said it should fall flat naturally.
Okay, you see the triangle?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. Get it over with.
Okay, nice and easy.
We did it, boys. It wiggled.
Okay, I'm sorry for mansplaining.
No, you're not mansplaining. Thank you.
Here, let me see.
No, please. You know more than me. That's not mansplaining. Life tip. I need help.
That is perfect. Wait, before we close it, I actually want to double check the pins.
Yeah,
that's
please do, please.
We never did.
Hey, you took it out though?
I'm proud of you too. I just realized we never checked the pins.
Oh, to make sure they're okay. Mm-hmm. And not fucked up.
And they all look really good.
Okay,
now you close it.
I literally did it perfect, but okay. Are you sure the pins are in place?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You just did the hardest part.
In a circle. What's next? Vengeance RGB. This would be a fun hobby for someone that's OCD, because it's very like everything has to be perfect.
AKA me.
Okay, so Ryan just explained I'm gonna take off the little plastic it comes with, and then I'm gonna shove it in, and I'm gonna wiggle it around.
Yep. Then once it's in its guide.
Sounds like metal scraping. Are you sure this is the right way?
Yeah. I mean, it is technically metal scraping. Yeah, no, you had it correctly. Yeah, it just goes into the guide, and then you're gonna go down, and then it's right there, and then press.
Always right on first try. It's not clicking. I think it's sexist. I don't know what to do. Use that white man confidence. Oh, watch out your finger.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Yeah! Get it to it!
That was a lot more pressure than I remember.
Okay. I'm shoving it! I go to the gym! No, you do it.
It's in. Yeah, we're good. Woo!
Alright, now we're putting the mother in. Okay.
There you go. Yeah.
Cool. This is the power supply. It smells like chemicals. Oh god.
Oh, that was good of them to give you white cables.
Aesthetic.
I was scared they were going to be all black.
Oh, this is the cord.
Yeah, that's the cord.
The cord, not a cord.
The cord. And then slide it.
Yeah. Oh, and there's little screws there. I see them.
Yeah.
What the fuck? This looks so weird. Suspicious. Oh, bestie, come back. I really want to eat this.
Oh.
Doesn't it look like a gay bacon?
It does look like gay bacon.
Oh, are they all the same?
No. Have fun.
Ryan kept trying to convince me to buy a cheaper version, and I said, absolutely not. This is all the one all the it girls are using, so I'm definitely gonna copy them.
Did this come with thermal paste?
Oh, maybe.
No, it didn't. Whoa. Oh wait, is that? I don't know if that's thermal paste. That's
Like already on
like
it?
Yeah.
Now what?
Now I think we assemble this.
Cool. How?
It's a lot of this. This is just PC building. Guide. Component list. Installing the pump.
Pump it louder.
Oh, M1 cable fan split pull. Oh. I might just watch a YouTube video.
Yeah. I'm standing this stool folder cooler. What?
Hi, my name's Dominique, and today I'm installing the standoffs for my CPU cooler.
Time to install the fan. ASMR. Do I tighten this one tighter?
Get like an opposite one first.
Oh yeah, you're right. I forgot about that. We have made good progress.
We have, haven't we?
How long has it been?
Probably like 3 or 4 hours.
Not bad. Now we're screwing on the top. What's funny? I literally don't know why you're laughing. No dogs for free! We must pay for them. No. Ooh, mama, that was satisfying. Now we're changing the bracket on the cooler.
Ooh, shiny bits. No, you gotta take the other one off.
Oh shit, that's right. Push down. I can't even push it down. I feel like I'm about to touch it. No.
Okay. There you go.
I'm disappointed.
I've just got big ass hands so I can grip it and
Easier.
rip it.
So, thank you for doing that. Cool.
Nice. Now? Oh shit, now we have to kind of put it on, don't
Put
we?
it on. Go ahead.
Wait.
I consent.
I wasn't ready for that yet.
I consent. Okay.
There you go.
It's in this one. Okay. Just a bunch of nuts. So we had to remove it because we wanted to make sure that the CPU cooler was making contact, so we removed it and it was. So it's better to be safe than sorry. But now we know it's actually touching. This is what it looks like right now. And this is what she looks like in the back. We took a little break and we ate, and all that's next is to do cable management. But my partner is awesome, and he said that he will do it as a gift to me because I will shoot my brains out if I have to do that. I was literally about to fart. That's crazy. We would have farted at the same time. I need to go. I need to get out of here.
You'll find Pepsi brand 12 packs, buy 2.
We've been waiting so long for the final component, but it's here. ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 4080 Super.
So that, wait, one more time? Looks clean.
Thank you. Whoa!
Oh shit. Caution.
It is highly recommended to use the bundled GPU standard. I used that joke too many times. Ooh, mama.
Holy.
This is the final step.
This is the final step. I don't know how you're going to install that in
I
your case.
tried really hard to do all white, this was nearly impossible to get white.
It was.
But it's fine because, I mean, there's pops of black and I kind of wanted just mainly the case and the fans to be white. So I kind of like the balance, you know? Oh, and then I have to show you what I got to put inside of it. So exciting. All right, how about, what do I do?
I have everything laid out for you. That's the one plug that plugs into it, and then it plugs into the top there. So to access the inside, there's this black thumb screw right here, which you twist till it's like loosey-goosey, and then you go ahead and you take it, and then you go up, and then you put this somewhere very safe.
I really didn't plan out the stuff that goes inside that well, so I just realized it's a bunch of ladies, because I like ladies. So I got my girl, my beautiful girl, my Nana figure. She has little fishnets with real fabric. It's pretty hot. I like the base. I'm not a huge fan, and also I don't think it's gonna fit in. Oh, that looks so cute together. I hope it works. I also got this vintage Kewpie baby doll. I thought it was ceramic, but it's plastic, so I don't know if that's safe to be put in there. But that's another option. And then last but not least, little Betty Boop with her dog. Look, it's so cute.
Is that a snow globe?
It is a snow globe.
Goes with your art.
That would go with it. We'll see. I don't know where it can go, but I really want Nana to fit somehow.
Yeah, we'll see if we can make her work.
Maybe I'll put her here while we work. I mean, right here even.
Yeah.
Kind of looks cute. Okay. Here goes nothing. Take out this. No, that's not plastic.
Yeah, no, you take
That was that?
The black part.
And then you said feed it through. Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it. Yes, I see it. I don't like this. I don't like that. It made 2 clinks.
It's all about confidence, baby. Well, it's in.
Is it in, or did you kill it?
I think it's in.
See, if that would have happened to me, I would have been like, I broke it, I fucked up. If you told me it would have made a clink, I don't think I would have freaked out as much.
Well, I mean, that was a big clink.
Okay.
Here. All right, here. Now you get to plug this.
All right, I want to plug it in.
Into...
I could do that.
Okay, make sure this is properly seated or else this can catch on fire. Not now, but later in life.
Can you double check my work?
Yeah. Give us a debrief, Mimi. What was that process like?
Absolutely terrifying. I definitely snapped at you one too many times. I apologize for being sassy. I didn't realize it was going to make some clinking, clanking noise, and it was so like... It was like, what's that? Interstellar? Is it Interstellar? Where it has to be like perfectly... That's what it felt like. Okay, I'm taking this off. Oh, I still have a battle wound from when we first started building it. Ow!
Aww.
When was that, like 2-3 weeks ago? It's been a while. It's been
like a month.
It's been like a month. Yeah, bro. Ooh-wee! All right, now what?
We power it on. Go.
I want to poke the fan so bad.
We're getting shit. Hold on.
Oh, I wish I filmed that.
NZXT, press delete.
What the hell?
We're in!
What the hell? What the hell? Oh, thank you for your help. Kiss, 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 kiss.
Mwah. Can we use it without? Oh yeah, none of your peripherals are plugged in. That makes sense. All right, we're gonna plug in Mimi's peripherals while she takes photos.
Can I take this off too?
Yeah.
Dang. Holy moly.
Holy moly.
Bro.
Here.
I am from the US of A. Ah! Ryan, hide! It's gonna get me. It's gonna get me. It got me. I'm got. Ah! I don't like his face. I don't like his face.